Hi everyone. Today we're making another workshop for kids who are interested in coding and how they create simple websites. Today we have Damir in this class who is going to share his experience how to create a main section of the website using HTML code. Damir is one of our honored students who has been studying programming since last year with our school, and your child can do the same. Your child can create simple websites and mobile applications starting from 10 years old already. If you want your child to try out these classes, sign up, visit our website, kiddyschool.online, and sign up for free trials, or just participate in our free workshops that we are doing every Saturdays at 11 a.m. and we are doing it today. Thank you very much, Damir, for joining this class, and please, you can continue with the session. We are looking forward for your session. Thank you.
Hello. Today I will show you how to make a simple web page using HTML and CSS. This is one of the websites I did. It's not the one that we're gonna do today, but see, it's pretty good, you know. The program
Yeah,
I use.
it looks very nice. I like the design and
Thank
colors.
you. Yes. The program I use for coding is Notepad++. There are lots of other programs, but this is the main one I use.
And by the way, you can find out the link how to download this Notepad++ in the description for this post. Thank you.
And we always start our website with doctype, HTML, and close it. We open our head and make the title. The topic I chose is online school or online classes, and we always close it with a dash, just like we open it, but with a dash. We do a link, yes. So we connected with the icon for our web page. Equals icon and that, and this is the name of our icon. For I went ahead and found a nice icon on Google and saved it as a PNG, and I think I saved it as online class at PNG. Yes. Then type equals image, no, that's an imagine, yes, X icon, like that, and we always close it again. Then we go ahead and close our head with a dash, like that, and this is where we have to connect our HTML with our CSS code, so they're not separated. We do link rel style sheet type text slash CSS picture EF equals to, and the name of my CSS is online class dot CSS, like that, and we close it. We open our body. This is where our paragraphs and our text is going to be. Header, or the name of our paragraph, and H group. If you want to include an image, you open it, an image like src or source, and equals to, and go find an image. Yes. For example, online school, right? Like that. We will go into here. And for example, this one we do copy image address. You don't have to save the image. Like that. Paste it in here and close it. I think it's like that. Okay. We'll open our header, or not header, but our paragraph, like that. And the name is going to be online class, because that's what it's about. Close it. Then we close our hpoop and start our paragraph. We open P as paragraph, and I guess the name of our paragraph is going to be learning online, like that. Like that. Close it, and we close our header. Right. Header. Open our section, because this is where our second paragraph or second header is going to be, and open article, like that. We start our header number 2, h2, and the name of it is going to be, for example, like learning, or no, is it hard to learn online? Hard to learn online, just like that. And close it again. Okay. We go down and break a line, just so everything isn't like all together and looks nicer. Then we'll do field set. I think it's how you spell it. And open our legend. I guess let's do this. Let's like online class, like that, and going to Wikipedia, or Wikipedia. Yes. And since we're gonna copy from Wikipedia, we are going to give it a source and source it, like www dot, or is it, I guess we can just copy this right here, like that, and close our legend. Then open our I as information, I don't know, I guess, like that. And I guess we copy it, we go into here and copy it. I'm just gonna copy this one paragraph, go here and close our I, close our field set. Field set. Oops, forgot to close it. Okay. We break a line, just go down a little, then maybe break another line and add another image. We do image src source and equals to that. I guess we can copy, this is a nice picture, get copy image address and paste it into here. We do that, oops, that and that. Okay. We break another line, and yes, we, what is it? We open our paragraph. Yes, paragraph, and type, and maybe copy this, like that, and close it. We break a line. You can do this like infinitely, just break lines and add images. I guess I could I guess I could just add this and end it right here, but you can do it like infinitely or how much you want. Break a line. Oh no, I forgot to close the paragraph and open our division and start our header 3. Or maybe you can, if you want, you can end it there, but I'll do a header 3. I guess we can name it Y. Or I guess we don't have to do it because you don't really have to, and I don't really know what to write about much. But you can write like almost anything you want. Then we close our section and close our article like that. Then we could go into CSS now. To we save it, Control S, and type in our CSS. CSS is mostly the design of your web page. Like you can edit the color of letters, the size of letters, and like the background and anything you want. And that's what CSS is about. Then we do a let's do a background image. Yes, background image like that. Yes, and the URL is gonna be do that and that. Let's try online class background. Yes, I think this is a good one. Do that. Copy it into here. Do that, and just like that, we're done. Okay. Background position. Background position. Yes, position would be center. Yes, center. Oh, yes, and you always add this semicolon. I think that's how it's called at the end. Let's do background. Background size is gonna be cover and background repeat background repeat is going to be no repeat, and we can end our body right here like that and open our header. That okay. We can add another background image. Oh my god, where am I typing? Yes, okay. Background image, like that. And another URL. Boom, like that. Let's find a good one. This looks pretty nice. Okay, and like that. We close it like that, and semicolon. All right. And just like what we did in body, okay. Just like we did in body is background position is going to be center. Background size, background size going to be cover. Background. I think we did everything with background. So yes, then we do padding. It's going to be 25 pixels. PX. Then we do border color, or the color of your borders, like the border of your images. Border color, like that. We could make it green, or what other you want. Okay, green. Then border style is solid, and border radius, I think that's how you spell it, right? Radius, like it's gonna be border radius is gonna be 55 pixels, I think. Yes, that's good. Border size, right? Yes, size is gonna be medium. Okay, and the final color, you can add any color you want, but I'll just go with simple white. And close it.
Damir, and can we try to run this code, the whole code already?
Yes.
Okay, I think it's okay for today, just to understand the general idea, the basic idea how to create sections on the website. So, and basically HTML is writing the code. So this is functionality of the website, right? Am I correct? Yes. Or JavaScript is more about functionality, but HTML is building a code for the browser, right? For
yes.
And to build out the sections. And CSS is more for design and graphic, how your website will be looking like, right?
Yes.
Is it correct?
Yeah, okay, it's the details and yeah, the color.
Okay, if you could run out this code and let's
yes, of
see
course.
What comes up, it would be great.
Online class. Where did I save it? Okay, let's save it. I forgot what I saved it, so we'll go Kiddy Coders, my website, and yeah, online class dot HTML. And we close it. I guess we refresh it. Kiddy Coders. And oh yes, here, online class. This is, yes, how it's gonna look for now. You could add lots of other details and maybe codes for CSS, but this is how it looks right now. Not bad. Yes. Here you can like add lots of like age group, like how you want your letters, like what font you want, what color you want your letters and stuff. But for now, yes, this is how it looks. I don't think it's that bad.
Oh, okay, this is cool. I like that. Can you show it one more time, Damir, please?
Yes, right here.
Oh, okay, cool. Yes, I like that. Could you scroll down a little bit, please?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Yes. So great. Thank you very much, Damir, for your time. I appreciate that. And if you want, there is also next trial on Saturday at 11 p.m. or excuse me, 11 a.m. Eastern time. You can reach us at kiddyschool.online, and we can send you the instruction and how to join that class. Thank you, everyone, and enjoy your day.